Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to take out your spool. Your spool is right here, okay? So your spool is where the line's on. See? That's awesome, okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to take out your spool. Let me show y'all. So there's this little stick gear right here, okay? You loosen that up. And then your side plate. Oh wait, I gotta keep loosening it up. There we go. And your side plate is right there, and you can just take out your spool.
Evan, I need a screwdriver.
Get in.
The small one. It's right by you.
And then your stick gear. So this is, okay. So this is your braking system. Your braking system is right here. You can switch out your spool anytime you like. Okay?
Damn it, I thought I lost this freaking.
See? And that's what happens if you don't have a spool. It makes that noise. Get in right here, that's what happened on your line. The little black dot right here. Focus.
There you go.
There's a little black line right over here. I'm not too sure if y'all see it. But there's a black line in the black thing on the line. It's in here.
I did it. Did I do it right?
Mm-hmm.
Not bad, Grandma. I'm a fisherman's daughter. I mean, I'm seriously a fisherman's daughter, so I'm not that stupid.
Right here
Thought I could do it.
is your spool. This is where your spool goes. Your braking system is on this side. So this is your drag, okay? And I'm not gonna fully show you of how to use this just yet. So what I'm gonna do, this is your drag right here. This is your side gear. It makes your spool move faster, and if you tighten it up, it makes it tighten up your spool, and it makes it spin harder. When you loosen up, it makes it spin, and the line comes out faster. Not spoon, spin. The line that I like to use is 12 pound to 15 pound braid to 25, 15 pound, 12 pound to 20 pound mono, depending on the type of line and the type of reel it is. If you have heavier line, the line won't settle on your spool, and it'll just slide and it'll just backlash. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in. Oh, wait, I gotta tighten this up first.
That's a long line.
And it's a lot better to have your spool being metal. This whole entire thing, reel, is pretty much metal and aluminum, which is, it's not that bad of a reel. It casts. It does pretty much good casting in it. The spool is metal. The braking system, oh shit, mark my language. The braking system is aluminum.
Did you hear Mumu?
Yes. Mumu, stop itching. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, can you shush?
Yes, sorry. Evan, it It looked
Oh
like,
my god.
no, just listen, it looked like Moo was smacking herself in the face when she was cheating. Evan, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go back and watch Evan's YouTube video when he posted it, and I'm just gonna hear you and Dad laughing in the background. Okay, no, for real, chill.
Yeah, no guys, I am not sponsored with this reel. Oh my god. Whatever, phone, you die, you die. So just add your spool back into your reel, and it just clips just like that. But the thing is that line will go every freaking where. Still tingling.
I know what else will go everywhere.
And there you go. And that's how you take out your spool. Now you just add your side plate back on. Takes a little bit. Shush! Damn!
Sorry.
And that's how you put your side plate back on, and yeah. And why it just... Alright guys, that's the end of the video. There y'all go. Okay. Peace out.
Can I watch?